G'day and welcome back to the channel. Today we are changing the gas struts on the GTI. Got my offsider Jensen with me. Say hello.
Hello.
So he's hanging out with me here. Why are we changing the gas struts? So I don't know about you, but mine are worn out. So just move out of the way, buddy. If you have a look at this, like you can't hold it halfway. You let go. They're basically worn out already. If you park on a little bit of a slope, even with it fully open, so if you park like on an incline, it doesn't stay open. On a flat surface, it will stay perfectly open, but they're worn out. They're just not what they used to be. Really inexpensive to do. I did get a quote from Volkswagen to get these replaced when I got my last service done, and I think they wanted like $170 or something like that to do it. So I thought, no, I'll do it myself. So I sourced these struts myself. They'll be available on the store as well. There's OEM ones and aftermarket. I went for some OEM replacements, and I'll double check, but I think they're around $100 or so to get a set. They're a slightly different part number than what my ones are, but it looks like a minor revision. So we're going to fit them up. I think it's a rather straightforward procedure, like a 5-minute job. These literally just kind of clip out and clip in. The only tool you're going to need is like a tiny flathead screwdriver or a little pick, because I'll show you what we're dealing with here. There's like it's kind of like a circlip on there, and you need to just kind of raise that up just a little bit, and then it just pops off. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get to it. Alright, let's do the first one. So all we do is kind of pry that up like that. Same with the bottom one. See, they just move really easily. And use your head to hold the... There you go, that's one. And this one should just come off as well. And if you do them one at a time, you won't need anything to prop it up. So, let's have a look. And then these literally just clip in. So, like that. And like that. That's it. That's one. And now let's do the other one. So again, you just pry that up like that. Same with that one. Pry it up. And then it should just pop off. Like that. Like that. Just make sure those clips are in place. They are. All right, and we've replaced them. That was it. It's less than 5 minutes. And have a look at this, is way stiffer. Look, I pull it down halfway. Look at that. Before it was falling down. And it goes straight back up. Way better, a lot safer. That's it. Job done. Too easy. Say goodbye, Jensen.